Hello guys, and welcome to our weight loss journey. In a previous episode we talked about the most common causes for weight gain, and I promised you that in the coming episode we'll be talking about each one of them individually. In this episode we'll be talking about hidden calories, and more importantly I'll provide you with some practical solutions. So without further delay, let's jump right into it. First on our list is salad dressing. While your salads are full of nutrients, the dressing can add a lot of calories. For example, 2 tablespoons of ranch can add about 100 to 150 of kilocalories to your salads. The solution is very simple. Just squeeze some fresh lemon on your salad, which would add some flavor with much fewer calories. If you don't care about the calories and just want a healthier option, go for olive oil. Next, let's talk about fried chicken. We love chicken for its taste and for the amount of protein. However, a small piece of fried chicken from a fast food restaurant can contain between 250 to 400 kilocalories, and half of those come from fat. The frying process and the coating are responsible for this. The solution is very obvious. You just have to choose a baked or a grilled version of the chicken and add some herbs or spices for extra flavor without the extra calories. Protein bars and shakes might seem like a healthier options, but they are not. Although they might be convenient, but a protein bar is nothing but a glorified candy bar. The same with the shakes, and they give you about 150 to 300 kilocalories. The solution is simple. If you really want your protein, mix the powder with unsweetened almond milk, and that will save you between 100 to 150 kilocalories. Energy drinks can give you between 100 to 150 kilocalories. Most of this comes from sugar. If you want to avoid this kind of energy, use a healthier option, like for example green tea or black coffee. Speaking of coffee, those morning coffee runs might sound innocent. However, the specialty drinks can give you a lot of calories. For example, a large caramel latte with whipped cream can give you between 400 to 500 kilocalories, or even more. The solution is very simple. You can have your black coffee and add almond milk to it, or your sweeteners, which will save you between 200 to 300 kilocalories. Smoothies can be a health-conscious choice because of their names, which usually contain all sorts of fruits. However, some of the smoothies can give you between 400 to 600 kilocalories, and they are packed with sugar. The solution is very simple. Why not make your smoothies at home? Mix fruit with healthier options like almond milk or Greek yogurt, and that will save you about 200 to 300 kilocalories. Finally, I just want to say, read the labels. Make it a habit. Initially, it will be exhausting, but within time you will understand where the hidden calories are, and you will start to avoid certain type of food. And that wraps it up for this episode. I would like to hear from you. Where have you encountered hidden calories? Leave it in the comment below, and I will see you in the next episode.
Subscribe. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has a lot of tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, weekly meal plans, and much more.